man. Who we have here?
Elijah.
What are you doing today?
I'll go skydiving by jump out of a plane.
Jumping out a perfect good airplane. You must be crazy.
A little bit.
Is it your idea?
Kind of, and also my grandpa's idea.
Okay, nice. Your idea. All right. We're going to take you up 10,000 feet, throw it out, get you down on the parachute. You ready for it?
I'm so ready.
Let's go do it, dude. All right, man. We found an airplane. You ready? You nervous, excited? A little bit of both?
More excited.
Heck yeah, dude. Let's get in, get up, and get out of this thing. Ah!
Let's go have fun, bro.
Yeah!
What do you think of that, man?
This is wild.
Pretty cool, right?
Love it, yeah. It's so
Pull the
peaceful.
right one down. Smile for the camera. Yeah! Woo! Oh, I love going all the way down and around. Oh yeah, he's got it. Yeah. Hands up. Perfect, yeah. Look at all the mountains out there underneath the clouds. Welcome to my office.
This is so peaceful. When can I work here?
All right, man. You just jumped off an airplane. How you feeling?
I'm good. Here's a little hurt, but other than that, I'm feeling great.
Great, bro.
Heck yeah.
Again. Time to let you open the parachute. High five, bro. Got a Colorado Springs. Woo!